Alright. Here we go. It's going to be hard to open one-handed.
Hi, Max. I'm going to watch your dad struggle.
Let's see if I can open it one-handed. Alright, here we go. But he'll watch the video. Okay. Ooh. Okay.
Let me help you.
Pretty. Pretty. Oh, it's another box. Okay, you can take that box. Oh, I'll take that book. Yeah.
Ooh, the water.
Hey, I'm the one that asked for that.
Okay. Here's the chest. Here's the chest. Chessmen by Husaria. Staunton's number 5 chessman.
Happy birthday!
Let's see if I can get this part open one-handed. Save the button. No, because that's part of the challenge. It's a left-handed opening reveal video. Left-handed
But you're
only.
cheating because you're holding it with your legs.
That's not cheating. That's called.
Yeah, you're cheating.
That's called being intuitive.
And I want to open it.
Move the box. You move the box.
I want to
Let's
open it.
inspect the box. Hold up. Let's inspect the box. Pretty box.
I want to open it.
It's got some weight to it. The hinges on the back.
What do you have to do?
Okay. All right.
Can I open it? I want to open it.
All right, everything. You can do the honors. Ooh. Okay. They're in bags. Let's.
Where's the board?
You're cheating. You have your mouth.
I custom ordered a board.
Of course you can.
All right. So this is a pawn. And let's just go ahead and dump these.
Keep them so they don't scratch.
They won't scratch. I dumped them gently. This is the king.
It's the queen. It's the queen.
Pretty. You can see the grain in there.
Mm-hmm.
Let's see the queen. These are the 2 bishops, Ruth Ann. And let's see what the queen looks like.
Where's the
No. Oh, there's an extra queen.
Yeah, I was going to say, you bought 2.
There's an extra queen. Okay. There's the rook.
Why would you want extra queens?
It just says it comes with it. This is the knight. The other knight. And yeah. And that's what a pawn looks like next to it. So let's put these pieces away. They have a nice wood feel to them, Max.
It's a good thing because they're wood, right?
Yes. And now we're gonna.
You're cheating. You open your mouth.
Oh, that's not cheating. Here, open that for me, Ruth Ann. Well, his sister, brother doesn't want us. Okay.
I want to pour it. I want to pour it.
No, because I want it to pour gently. Okay. Ooh. Those are pretty. Look at that. That is.
What, honey?
That is real pretty. That's a bishop.
Honey.
That's the queen. And the king. Wow. Those are pretty.